Hi, it's Dave of Urban Astro, and tonight I am going to try out my Rokinon 135. I have my ZWO ASI 2600mm Pro with my filters and my filter wheel attached to the Rokinon, which is mounted on my Skywatcher EQ6R Pro mount, and tonight is going to be first light with it. I had to get another adapter that would allow me to have the right spacing so I could reach focus, and right now I've got PhD2 up and go into imaging, and here's my focus, which looks pretty darn good. So I think I'm okay. So what I was going to do, believe it or not, was I was going to try to see if I could get the North America and the Pelican and the clamshell all in one view, and I think I can. So let me go ahead and set this guy for framing, and I've got a 15-degree field point of view, and we're downloading. We're almost at, yeah, there we go. I was looking at this earlier today. The other area I'd like to do is this area over here, the central part of Cygnus, but right now I think I'm just going to try to see if I can get the North America, which is right here, and the Pelican, which is right there. Then of course right here is the clamshell. And I think that probably looks good. So let me go ahead and unpark my mount, and let me see what slewing to this thing looks like. I've got ASTAP. I need to add PlateSolve 3, but I haven't downloaded it, and I did not add it. I did not have enough time today. I was busy setting this thing up. The little Quieter 2 PC that I had on my RC6 was overheating, so I took the one that I picked up for the Rokinon and took it and moved it over to the RC6, and then I took the Astro PC that I had set up for my AT80, which now has different, wants me to use the V17 database. Okay. As I was saying, while this thing is going through this process here, and hopefully I guess it found it. Let's see what the rotation is. So anyways, as I was saying, I got a Quieter 2 with a built-in fan, a Quieter 3C with a built-in fan. Okay, I need to change the rotation. Problem is with this camera, the way that it's set up, it's not easy to rotate. I'm gonna have to change the rotation, but I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to do that tonight. It's gonna take too long. So let me go to 20 degrees out. I do this area over here just as well. The other is the Veil Nebula, is another area. There we go. Yeah, right there's the Veil. But this right here might be a good... This might be a good choice. I'm going to have to change the orientation of the camera. I have to move the whole, I have to loosen everything up, move the lens, as well as take off the focusing belt in order to rotate this thing. There's just no easy way to rotate it. Yeah, so this might actually be a really interesting picture. I've got the crescent right there. Right here's the butterfly. Yeah, that might actually be a pretty decent shot right there. And right there's the tulip right there. Has a lot of objects in it. We got the butterfly right there. We've got the crescent, and right here's the tulip, and the propellers in here. Yeah, right here's the propeller. Yeah, I think that would be. It's just over, and it's just over from the North America, so I can do the North America sometime this week. I just have to reorientate my camera. Yeah, I know, I gotta download the V17 database. That's probably good, yep. So I'm gonna add this. Add this to mono. Let's go to SHO offsets. Okay, it's really not that. I'm going to call that the Cygnus, but that's alright. We'll go into the sequencer, advanced sequencer. Let's set up a sequence, shall we? So let's go SHO. Hang on just a second. So let's go to targets. I'm really looking forward to doing the Spaghetti Nebula. There we go. Cygnus. Cygnus region. If I could spell, it'd be great. So, here we go. Here's the Crescent Nebula. Here's the butterfly. And right there's the tulip. Let's take a look. Looking pretty good. There's the propeller right there. That looks pretty cool. And see, the crescent should be here somewhere. There's the crescent. There's the crescent. Looks pretty good, actually. And then the tulip should be right up over here. And right there's the tulip. Alright.